I've been on boat rides in this river before, but none of them were about like talking about the history of the Chicago River and the lakes, and talking about the water. It was mainly just sightseeing of the buildings.
My experience was interesting, obviously, because going through the boat, I didn't know most of the stuff they're talking about, and I get to learn a lot of things. Like I didn't know all the lakes, now I do. I know about freshwater, how they keep the water fresh. So the things that they did, like reversing the water, which was pretty interesting to me. So yeah, of course, career of building fountains for water. Construction they do just to keep the water fresh. The filtering the water is also, yeah. I thought of it.
A lot of the careers that came to mind when on the boat ride were very exciting to think about. Like the career of making the roof screen. That sounded very interesting and something to look more in depth with.
I'd probably not waste as much water as I did from this experience, but yeah, going on forward.
Same. Yeah, a lot of things that I learned today will definitely help change my habits and my family's habits.